Hey guys, King of Facts here. I hope you're all liking this video and subscribing. Ha, just joking, it's your wish. By the way, today we are doing a new challenge. First thing you can think of each country challenge. I know, sounds strange. So this is the image of the world map. Sorry people from Caribbean cause your countries are too small to show in the map, but let's move on. First country is my home country, India. Delhi. Sri Lanka, Colombo, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Nepal, Kathmandu, Bhutan, mountains, cause it's a small country. China, communism, Russia, Soviet Union. Sorry for the Russian people watching this video. North Korea, Kim Jong Un, South Korea, people who are fighting with Kim Jong Un. I know, right? Makes sense. Japan, atomic bombs. Taiwan, part of China, I guess. Burma, Myanmar, the new name. Thailand, oh, Bangkok, beautiful city. Laos, Mekong River. Vietnam, war, because that's the only thing I can think of. Cambodia, Kampuchea, the old name. I think the old name suits it better. Philippines, why can't I think of anything? Yeah, Manila, Philippines, Manila. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. The baby Singapore over there, I don't know why you're not there, but Singapore, that building which is shaped like a ship or something, yeah, that marina something. Indonesia, Bali. Papua New Guinea, 2000 languages. Yes, guys, that's a true fact. Papua New Guinea has 2000 languages. Solomon Islands, Oceania, Fiji, water. Yep, Fiji water. Sorry to the people from Fiji watching this video. New Caledonia. Wait, does it even exist? Yeah, whatever. New Caledonia. So new country stuff. New Zealand. Jacinda Ardern, the president. I mean, prime minister. Whatever. Australia. Ooh, Big Bash League. I love that league so much. Oman. Mountains. Yemen. War, I guess. UAE. Dubai. Saudi Arabia. Riyadh. Jordan. The famous YouTube channel Jordanian. Israel. Technology. Lebanon. The Beirut blast. I feel sorry for the people who died. Syria. War. Iraq. War. Iran. I don't know. People who are supporting war, I guess. Pakistan. Okay, what can I say? Okay, fine. Lahore. Afghanistan. War. Sorry. Sorry, everybody. If I insulted your feelings. Kyrgyzstan, mountains. Tajikistan, small mountainous country. Uzbekistan, medium mountainous country. Kazakhstan, Borat. Oh my god. Sorry, everybody. Had to do it. Turkmenistan, dictatorship, because I know it's a dictatorship. Mongolia. Wait. Ah, Genghis Khan. How can I miss that dude? Okay, fine. Let's move on this side. AZ is Azerbaijan. I don't know. War, Armenia. War with Azerbaijan, Georgia. Sorry for saying this, but a state of United States of America. Oh, okay. That I think that insulted the feelings so much. Let me just say Tbilisi. That's the second thing which popped up in my mind. Finland, sauna. Oh my God, that. Sorry, everybody. Belarus, no corona, I guess, because there's literally no corona in Belarus. Estonia, small. Latvia, small. Lithuania, Vilnius. Finally, something, sense. See, I guess. Cyprus, war. Turkey, Erdogan. I don't know why. Greece, islands. Bulgaria. I don't know. Bulgaria. Okay, fine. Balkans. Whatever. Romania, Balkans. Oh my god, why did I say Balkans? The second thing which popped up was Dracula. That'll be so funny. Okay, fine, Balkans, because I can't break the rules. Moldova, least touristy country. That's a fact, guys. Ukraine, Crimea. Sorry, I had to. Wait, did I do Sweden? No, I didn't. Okay, Sweden. Sweden. I don't think of Sweden. Let's leave it for later. Norway, Oslo. Such a beautiful name for a capital. Iceland, geysers. UK, London. Ireland, Dublin. France, Paris. Spain, Madrid. Portugal. Wait, Portugal. Vasco da Gama. He was such a beautiful, explorer. Italy, Rome. Germany. I don't know, shall I say this or not? Okay, I have to because that's the first thing which popped up. Hitler. Sorry for the German people watching here. That small country over there, it's Switzerland. Chocolate, of course. I don't know what these middle countries are, but I sure know that the yellow one over there is Croatia. 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 What can I think? I guess thin, narrow strip covering Bosnia. Bosnia has a thin, narrow strip covering it from the shore. Yeah, same thing, but different points of view. These middle countries, I don't know, cause how will I know? Czech Republic, beer, cause that's a fact. Did I miss any country in Europe? Oh yeah, Sweden. Oh my God. Oh yeah, finally Stockholm. No, finally. Let me come to Africa now. Morocco, Marrakech, Algeria, France. Sorry, everybody. Tunisia, Tunis, that's the capital. Libya, war, cause right? Egypt, the pyramids, of course. Sudan, South Sudan, Halal, South Sudan, Sudan. Because it's a fact, guys. Before 2011, I guess South Sudan and Sudan were one country called Sudan, basically. Eritrea, Red Sea, Djibouti, the country with hundreds of military bases from around the world, because that's a fact. Somalia, Mogadishu. I don't want to say war again, finally. Kenya, I don't know. Africa, Tanzania, Zanzibar, of course. Uganda, Idi Amin, because, okay, now I can't see the second thought, but because the second thought was better. Dem Rep of Congo's Democratic Republic of Congo. So basically, it's Kinshasa, the capital. Of course, I didn't think of anything else. What else is there? Rwanda, the cleanest city in Africa. That's a fact, guys. That's a fact. Burundi, I don't know, neighbor of the cleanest city in Africa? Has to be. Madagascar, island, because it's an island. Sorry, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and stuff if I hurt your feelings for saying island. To Madagascar specifically. Malawi, wait. Lilongwe, that's the capital. Mozambique, long thin strip of land by the Indian Ocean. South Africa, Cape Town, boys. Eswatini, Swaziland, that's the old name. Lesotho, circle shaped country within a country, because that's a fact. If I zoom in, I don't want to zoom in, but look. It's a circle shaped country over here within South Africa. Wait, this next. Now comes the hard part, guys. Unfortunately, have to do it. I covered this part. Now let's go over here. Wait, Zambia and Zimbabwe I did. Forgot. Zambia. I guess. I don't know. Zambia. The country above Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, Harare, Botswana. Have to say this. Yakos World. Guys, I'll drop that song's link in the description. If you see it, you'll laugh like anything. Because the Botswana pronunciation is so funny. Okay, for this time, no Yakos word. Sorry for breaking the rules, guys. I'll just drop the link, but let me do a different. What can I think of Botswana? Ah, diamond mines, of course. They are the, I guess, the world's leading producer of diamonds. I guess. Namibia. What is Namibia? Hmm. 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 Walvis Bay, one of the most best natural harbors in the world. Angola, Luanda, because that's the capital. Congo shares the name with its neighbor Democratic Republic of Congo. Basically, that's a fact. Equatorial Guinea, a small square-shaped country with a capital in an island called Malabo. Gabon, I don't know. Wait, what's Gabon? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm a nerd. You know, I like mapping, but I don't know anything about Gabon. Let's just say an awkward shaped country. Sorry, everybody, I had to. Cameroon, border with Lake Chad, Nigeria, Lagos, cause I won't say coffin dance, okay? It's just Lagos. Seriously, that popped out first. Benin, Benin. Snake, cause it looks like one. Togo, snake, cause it looks like one. Ghana. Okay, Ghana. I can't say snake because it's too fat for a snake. Let me just scroll in. Thinking. Let's leave Ghana for now. Let's, relax our mind. Cote d'Ivoire, the old name, Ivory Coast. And the second thing which popped up in my mind is really, hilarious. The capital's name is Ouagadougou. It's a fact. Liberia, one of the two free countries in Africa, which was never colonized by European powers. Fact, guys. Sierra Leone. Leave me alone, such strange countries. Nothing to say about it. Ghana and Sierra Leone, I'll leave now. Guinea. Has a country with sharing with another name, which is above it. Guinea-Bissau has a country sharing a name below it, which is Guinea. Gambia, snake, cause it's a snake. Seriously, guys, I know you can't even see it. It's like landlocked between Senegal or something. Let me just show you guys. Can you see it over there? That small orange bit, that is Gambia. Let me scroll off a bit. Yeah, that will be perfect. Senegal. I don't know. Senegal, I guess. I'm stuck. Pac-Man, cause it looks like one. Sorry, guys. Mauritania. Desert. Western Sahara. Disputed. Morocco. Wait, I did Morocco. Mali. Mansa Musa. He was the king of Mali and he was the richest man in the world. richer than Jeff Bezos and John D. Rockefeller and Bill Gates. Can you believe it, guys? I can, because that's a fact. Burkina Faso. It's a country. The B Faso means Burkina Faso. And I don't know anything about Burkina Faso. So guys, basically this Africa section took me 7 minutes and I'm not even done with it. Imagine how hard it is. Burkina Faso. A country which neighbors Niger and Mali and Benin and Togo and Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire something. Burkina Faso. Okay, done. Niger, sharing the name with Nigeria, cause that's what everybody thinks. Chad, Lake Chad. Yes, guys, it's an actual lake. CAR is not car, guys. It's Central African Republic, and basically forest, cause it's rainforest and stuff. Anything else I left out in here? Okay, guys, I'm basically done. No, wait, I'm not done. Ghana and I don't know what else was left. Gabon, yeah. Ghana and Gabon. So I had to do this, but sorry, people, everybody, I have to. Ghana is a fat snake. I have to. Gabon, country neighboring Congo, Equatorial Guinea, and Cameroon. Because literally I can't think of anything. Africa is so confusing. Okay, we have finished the eastern part of, the earth. Let's cross over to the west. United States. United States. Statue of Liberty. I have so many things, but Statue of Liberty was the first. So basically, right. Canada. I don't know why, but I feel like saying Life of Pi. It's a very good book written by a Canadian author called Yann Martel. You have to read it. Mexico. Smuggling. It's a fact, guys. I don't mean to offend anybody from Mexico or something, but it's a fact. Caribbean beaches. Okay, that I didn't expect that. Central America. So basically, that babyish yellow one over there, that's Belize, and the capital is Belmopan. So Belmopan is my answer. What else? So that one with a lake in the middle is Nicaragua, and all I can say is Lake Nicaragua. That snake-shaped thing is Panama Canal, cause that's a fact. Costa Rica is in the center between Panama and Nicaragua, and it has a dispute with Nicaragua, so I say dispute. Sorry, people. That small thing over there is El Salvador. The capital is San Salvador, so San Salvador. That is Guatemala, and Guatemala. Refugee crisis, Honduras refugee crisis. We have finished now. Wait, I literally forgot Denmark, Netherlands, and Belgium. Why are they so small? Oh my god, let me just finish them off or something. Denmark, Greenland, the answers given over here. Netherlands, Germany's path to conquer the West. Belgium, chocolate. Have to. Sorry, Netherlands. But I still have the confusion of which is the capital. Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands, or Amsterdam is the capital of Belgium. Clear that doubt in the comment section, guys. South America, Venezuela, inflation, Guyana, smallest. No, wait, that's not smallest. What is Guyana? Let me come back to that later. Suriname, lowest populated country in South America. That's a fact. French Guyana, the answer is given right below it. France. Bolivia. What is Bolivia? had a coastline, but Chile took it. Sorry, had to, cause I can think of nothing else. Paraguay, football. Uruguay, football, and the home of FIFA World Cup. Brazil, Neymar, Chile, had to. Sorry, guys. Chilly weather. I can think of nothing else. I mean, I know a lot about Chile, but I have to say the first thing which pops up. I mean, like, I know the capital of Chile, Santiago. It is very thin and stuff. I know a lot about Chile. Its landscape in the south is cold and the north is warm. It has Patagonia, which it shares with Argentina and stuff. But, now Argentina, of course, everybody knows the answer. Messi. I didn't know. I don't know why I didn't say Portugal, Ronaldo, but, sometimes I'm Messi fan, guys. So, have I finished all the countries? No. I literally forgot, this part of the area. Colombia. Wait, let me come in order. Peru. Transoxiana is a highway from Brazil to Peru and it crosses the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. It's a road. I like it. Ecuador. Ecuador. Galapagos Islands. You see those small thing over there? That's the Galapagos Island, guys. That's where those giant turtles live. Colombia. Giving refuge to people emigrating from Venezuela. And that's a fact, guys. Colombians are really kind people. And now, here comes the last country of the series, I think. I might have left out a country. But according to me, here comes the last country of this thing, Guyana. I'm still stuck. Oh yeah, I just got something. So basically people from Guyana, actually basically Guyana's in South America, but they think they're part of, the Caribbean. So dispute between which region are they part of. So guys, thank you for watching 22 minutes continuously. I know it was a long video, especially, the confusing African region. And I have to say sorry to many people like Ghana and Gabon and stuff, because I can't think of anything. Alaska. Nobody even thought of it. I know, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching along with me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, optional, and make sure you like the video, optional. It's your wish, but bye bye.